Have you ever wondered how to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin? If so, you're not alone. Bitcoin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, and its popularity is only growing. However, buying and selling Bitcoin can be a bit challenging, especially if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Nuggs, a revolutionary new crypto exchange that makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin. We'll also be discussing how to send Bitcoin from Nuggs. What is Nuggs? Nuggs is a Canadian-based crypto exchange that was founded in 2017. It is one of the fastest-growing crypto exchanges in the world, and it is quickly becoming a popular choice for both experienced and novice traders. Nuggs offers a variety of features that make it a great choice for Bitcoin trading. These features include a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, a wide range of payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers, low fees, 24/7 customer support, a secure platform that protects your assets. How to send Bitcoin from Nuggs. Sending Bitcoin from Nuggs is easy. Here are the steps you need to follow. Log in to your Nuggs account. Click on the Send tab. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send Bitcoin to. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Click on the Send button. Your Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient's wallet within a few minutes. Nuggs is a great choice for anyone who wants to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin. It is a user-friendly platform with low fees and a wide range of features. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use crypto exchange, I highly recommend Nuggs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.